Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using a Wish for Everything, and it is a 2-set stamp, and this is a cute little Christmas card we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our Big Shot. And we're going to be embossing, so I don't need that. And I have a piece of cherry cobbler, and this is cut at 3.5 by 4 3/4. And then I have the Stylish Scroll embossing folder. Just thought this could be for Christmas as well. So I'm going to line this up. And we'll run that through. And that's all that we're using the Big Shot for. So I'm going to take that away. And then we have this. Isn't it gorgeous? All right. So I am going to come in with a piece of wrapped in plaid, and then I have my Christmas tree punch, and I'm just going to punch a Christmas tree out. And now we can start putting this card together. I have a piece of Whisper White, and this is cut at 2.5 by 3 3/4. And I'm going to put my Christmas tree here. And we're using a Wish for Everything, and we're going to be using Merry Christmas for the front, and then a Merry Little Wish for lots of joy this season for the inside. We're going to ink that up with cherry cobbler. And I have my Merry mounted on clear block A. And then my Christmas is mounted on clear block G. All right, and then for the inside of the card, our card base is Whisper White thick, and it is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. And then our sentiment is mounted on clear block C. So just like that, that is all the stamping we are doing, and we can put this card together. All right, so I'm going to get our embossed piece, and I'm going to put that down with some snail adhesive. And it's going to make a wide border. So just like that. We'll give it a good rub down because it's embossed. We want to make sure that it's going to stick to the paper. And I have another piece of the wrapped in plaid, and this is cut at 2.5 by, no, I'm sorry, 1 3/4 by 4 1/4. All right, and I'm just going to put this in the middle of the card, just like that. We'll go ahead and adhere our Christmas tree down. Just like that. And then I'm going to come in with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And we will flip this over, put our dimensionals down. And I really like just the clean look of this card. So let's rip the backs off. This card is quick and simple, so you could easily mass produce it if you'd like. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple Christmas card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below.